Welcome back to the my channel. We now will begin with the show called the World War II. Which and all the country did it participate? Now the country which participate was the American soldiers, German soldiers, Soviet soldiers. Now I'll show you how the American soldiers looks like in the battle and how do they battle in the combat range. In combat range they look like this. This is the way they fire it. You can see how they do it, right? Now coming to the armament, they do it. Weapons, type of weapon they carry during the World War II was Thompson M1 submachine gun, M2 MK2 grenade was there, and you can see Browning H5 power pistol was there. Now coming to the Japanese soldier, we are going to talk about the Japanese soldiers were the highly committed soldiers who fought the World War II. They were the Asian and Pacific world theaters. They have fought World War II, and as you can see how they look like, and in combat range how do they fight. You can see that they reload the gun. And now I'm talking about the equipment. What are the equipment they use it? You can see there are the equipments. There's a carabine, the bayonet, as you can know about the katana. The katana originated generally from the bayonet, and the cartridges. Only three weapons generally were used during the World War II by the Japanese. So here is the one of the German soldier, the soldier of merchant, which were a most equipped and well trained. You might be knowing that as I discussed from the World War One, the German soldiers who were the most powerful. They did to participate in the World War II. They were the most trained and most equipped people, soldiers even for the other countries. As you can see in the combat range, how do they fire? You can see You can see how do they fire it, the range that the barrack to fire it. And now coming to the weapons they use. These are the modern 24 stick grenade which was used same as in the it was a modified version of one of the World War One which is used by the German. Walther P38 pistol. The Sterngewehr 44 carabine is used in the type of weapon. Yeah. So this is the Soviet soldier. I don't know how many of you know it, but they did to participate in the World War II. They became very powerful in the World War One due to their size, and the later stage they did become powerful in case of arsenal. Now let me show you. Um, they became the broker of the world in World War One, and did participate after the seeing this how they realized that they can do participate in World War Two in the combat. How do they part fire? You can see that this is the way they fire it. Yeah, you can see how do they fire it. Yeah, from here, from every angle. Now I'm going to talk about how they do their what another weapons they used it during the World War II. So here are the weapon. I can say they try to compete with the German army. The RGD-3 grenade, the Tokarev pistol, the infantry shovel, PPSH-41 submachine gun, the knapsack, cartridge pouch, Mosin Nagant repeating rifle. They all had this type of weapon.